right, guys. Okay, guys, this is a video on oscillator matrix about how we enter longs and shorts. This is not financial advice. Keep in mind, use this for educational purposes. Leverage trading is dangerous, so be mindful. If you're scared, do demo trading and practice. So now on this video, we're going to get right into the oscillator. And we're going to look at the 3-hour chart. Now I want to show you where I knew the market was going to crash and where I knew the market was going to pump. So we got our first signal right here that the market was going to crash. Then we got our second signal here. And you can see the money flow was starting to go down. Now, if you're ever above this green threshold line, then even if you get the signal, you want to wait till the money flow breaks below the threshold. But in our case, we don't have to worry because we're already below the threshold. So this gives us the 3 confirmation for a short. Now I want to show you on this same chart where we get the confirmation for a long. So we get our first confirmation here. We get our second confirmation here on the green dot, but what I just explained, I'm going to show you with 3 lines now. This is where our third confirmation comes. Why? When you see the money flow right here, the money flow is slightly going up. Now you can see the money flow is going down here, but it's still traveling. But this one where the money flow is going up is not good because we're still above this threshold line. But this is where it crosses the threshold. So that's where we get our third signal confirmation. Very, very important, okay? So now let's see what happens on the 3-hour chart. If you look here, this first line in this area, it confirms we're gonna take a short. From there, it comes down, but look, it goes up and boom, we drop. So we would have known around 60,000, hey, take a short. And then it comes down to 59.3, comes back up to 60,400. And from there, it drops all the way to 57,400. Now, a good area to know where to take profit is this area here, which is the blue smart trail. So whenever you take a short here and it travels, a safe bet is to take profit at the smart trail. Now, let's get into this. So this is the area where we find out, hey, we need to take a long. But remember, I told you this second line was a false confirmation on money because the money flow was still below that threshold. So when we get to this line in this candle, it tells us now take a long because now we skip this scary phase because we don't know what's going to happen. From there, we get this pump up here. So you see how your long was confirmed, how your short was confirmed. You want to get into the safest position. But always keep in mind, right when you enter, you may enter right here. It comes down, comes up, then comes down. So it doesn't always come down right away. It goes up a little bit. Same here. If you by mistake entered a little bit sooner without the confirmation, it would still come down a little bit lower. Then it would recover. And from there we go on the pump. So now let's look at turbo really quick. This video is going long than I expected. So let's look at the turbo oscillators. So I was looking at the 3-hour chart today. So we got our first confirmation here. We got our second confirmation here. And if I come down, I'm gonna tentatively draw a line. You can see the money flow was not quite there. It went up, it went down. Now, from this candle, from this confirmation here, look, we got another confirmation, but now the money flow is going down. This is exactly what we want. Now let's look at the 45-minute chart. We got a strong reversal because triangles are strong and circles are minor, but still a reversal. We got a dot here. We have a bearish divergence going on. The money flow, let's look at it. It's right here, okay? So if we look at the money flow, you can see the money flow is still going up a little bit. So this is not quite there yet. Now look at the 1-hour chart. Now the 1 hour, you can see it. So we got a strong reversal. We got a bearish divergence. We got a overbought. And here's our money flow. So let's look at it. you can see the money flow is going down. This is exactly what we need for our third confirmation. Now I'm gonna zoom, I'm gonna actually show you guys something. So we got our first confirmation right here, and we got our second confirmation right here, and we got our money flow right here. So if I go back to turbo chart, you can see it's still 4 candles. As long as it's within 12 candles, we're good. Now let me delete this, and let's go to the 2-hour chart. Now 2-hour chart is showing there's still movement. So for now, I'm not going deeper into turbo. I like to stay within 30 minutes to an hour because I'm not too experienced in turbo. But as we do more turbo, we will know. But look right here. When we got this pump, we got a confirmation here. Look at the money flow. If you would have entered here, let me put the confirmation. Not confirmation. Let me delete this guy. Let me draw a line. So if you would have entered turbo, you would have entered as 004, and you would have actually experienced this entire pump up right here on turbo. So just look at it. It's beautiful. It would have gone sideways for a while after it pumped, and then it would pump more. So that would have been a long confirmation if we worked the bottom. So that will be it, guys. This video was quick just to explain it to you. I will make a more in-depth video once we get out of this short that we're on, and then we get an opportunity for long, then we will continue to analyze this videos. I hope this was helpful. Please leave me likes for Ego Boost. Leave me comments for Ego Boost, because I don't make money from this. I'm really doing this for us. And you, my Discord group, know how we came together. We are like family, and you know why we're like family. Not because I said it, because we came under bad circumstance, but we made something great out of it. Till next time, peace.